When I went to Canada to study, I realized how Caribbean persons, other persons from the Caribbean, dislike Jamaican. They put up this great competition against Jamaican, and all Jamaican want to do is just live in peace, eat them food, and party. Caribbean people don't like Jamaican for what I don't know. When A$AP Rocky trial was going on, Rihanna carry her picnic them, go a court every day. Rihanna go a court. Rihanna find time to go a court every day. Rihanna own a private jet. Rihanna is one of the richest female singer in the world right now, I believe. And Rihanna could not take 3 hours from her busy schedule, fly down to Jamaica to launch her product. So what she do? She knows so no name brand now, no fright now, no love stranger. Because one thing we Jamaican, you know, we love stranger bad. And Rihanna knows say Auntie Dana, enough. Dana love frontline. And so Dana go do everything in her power. If you show up and turn up, because Dana enough and no have nothing to do. So Rihanna and her mother called Dana and used Dana to go there to go promote her product because Rihanna was too busy to turn up. Do you know she called and asked me if I go, you know? Me go ask her if she go, you know. And you say if Rihanna not go her function, me not go neither, you know. Because me love me yard, me no like go out. Me no want nobody invite me nowhere because me no like go out. Me no go a road. Me a house pest. So, them know say Dana enough and Dana want to be seen everywhere doing everything. So then call Dana and beg Dana to go launch them product. And she couldn't come. Only is a set up puppy show. I bet if I did one Jamaican I launch it to no go. If it was a Jamaican I launch it to no go. But uno enough uno. I can't stomach uno. I can't stomach uno how uno enough. Why Rihanna not turn up a Jamaica for launch her product? Because they don't like Jamaican. Them don't like Jamaican. They see us as a threat. They see us as a threat and the only blasted thing we want to do is find one chicken bone for suck pan. That's all. And they not like we. You find time to go a court. Every day you're there a court a trial and you can't find time to go launch your product at Jamaica. This the Jamaican people, man. I said it, yeah.